Have you ever wondered why homemade ice cream often turns icy, grainy, or loses that vibrant, sharp punch of lime the moment it hits the freezer? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve that elusive, velvety, professional mouthfeel and a flavor profile that sings. We're not just making one recipe. We are going to test 5 different technical methods to find the ultimate way to make key lime ice cream. From classic French custards to quick, stabilized bases, we'll test the chemistry behind each one to see which really delivers. Method 1. The classic French custard. This is the gold standard for many, relying on egg yolks to create a rich, emulsified base. It's a slow process. You have to temper the eggs, cook the base to the perfect thickness, and ensure that the acidity of the lime juice doesn't curdle the delicate proteins. The reward? An incredibly luxurious texture. But does the delicate custard flavor hold up against the punchy acidity of the lime? Method 2. The no-churn condensed milk method. This relies on the high sugar content and viscosity of condensed milk to prevent large ice crystals from forming. It's fast. There's no cooking, no tempering, and it's essentially foolproof. But it can easily veer into being cloyingly sweet, masking the bright lime flavor we're after. We'll use fresh zest to try and balance that sugar, but we'll see if it's enough. Method 3. A plant-based coconut milk base. We're swapping out heavy cream for a high-fat coconut cream to create structure. This offers a unique tropical profile that actually complements the key lime flavor. But fat structure is different here. It behaves differently in the churn. Emulsification is key. If the fat and water separate here, you'll get a frozen block, not ice cream. Method 4. The key lime curd swirl. Instead of incorporating the lime into the base, we're making a sharp, acidic curd and swirling it into a neutral base. This allows us to keep the base creamy and the lime punch incredibly concentrated in the swirl. The challenge? Keeping the curd smooth when it hits the freezing cold base. We want distinctive pockets of flavor, not a muddied mess. Method 5. Our 3-ingredient quick base, incorporating commercial stabilizers. This is the industrial shortcut method. Science is on our side here. Stabilizers like gum bind the water molecules, preventing those ice crystals that ruin homemade ice cream. It's simple, efficient, and honestly, the texture it promises is the most professional. All 5 methods are now in the freezer. We need to let them set completely. A few hours is good, but overnight is even better. The next day, it's time for the test. We're looking for 3 things: scoopability, mouthfeel, and flavor balance. The French custard is undeniably rich. It feels expensive. But the lime flavor is somewhat muted. It's more like a subtle lime-infused cream. The no-churn method is velvety, but it's just too sweet. It feels like a dessert, but not a refreshing, citrus-forward one. The coconut base works, but the coconut flavor dominates. If you love coconut, this is a winner. But it's not really key lime ice cream. The curd swirl? This is aggressive, in a good way. The sharp curd pockets are amazing, but the base itself is plain. It's an inconsistent bite. And finally, the stabilizer method. This is it. The texture is perfectly velvety, and by controlling the base, we kept the lime flavor bright and clear. If you want that rich, clean, professional finish, the stabilizer method combined with a precise base is the winner. It's simple, elegant, and perfectly balanced. That's the reward for paying attention to the chemistry, not just the recipe. If you enjoyed this video and love all things key lime, like and subscribe for more key lime delights. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a smooth, homogeneous flavor or pockets of intense lime curd? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Key Lime Delights video.